TPM 1999 here, doing a brief review and unboxing of a new type of energy mint from Rally Energy. It's called the Rally Energy Mint. It's peppermint flavored. Even before I open it up, I just love the shape of it. It's shaped like a AA battery, but that's cool for marketing purposes. What's really cool is the size of it. It's small, and for a guy where you just have pockets, you just put it in the pocket, ready to bring it anywhere. So let's give it a try. So they're energy mints, so they actually have caffeine within them. In this case, it's got equivalent to 1 cup of coffee. So instead of having to go to Starbucks and spending, $4 or $5, you just buy these mints, put them in your pocket, use them as needed before an important meeting or just on the way to the office, and you get the energy you need throughout the day. There's no sugar added, so really there's no sugar crash that happens. It's just the caffeine and a nice fresh breath mint. So let me give it a taste real quick. Yeah, it's peppermint. No weird taste because of the caffeine. Tastes really good. And let me do a little break here and see how long it takes for the caffeine to start up. I'm back. I've been sucking on the mint for about 5 minutes now. You really feel the pick-me-up right away once the caffeine hits, just like 1 single cup of coffee. About, I think it's 60 milligrams, give or take. And now you're ready to go and do whatever you need to do where you need the energy to get you through the important event. So yeah, these are really good flavor. They're peppermint. They're from Rally Energy. Great form factor. Good price. I'm going to put a link below if you want to buy them. And give them a go. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. TPM 1999. Talk to you later.